it is time to multiply whole numbers and fractions. So we're going to start with 5 times 1/3, and we're going to show this 3 ways. We're going to model it, we're going to use repeated addition, and then we're going to just do it using multiplication. Okay, so 5 times 1/3, we're going to do repeated addition, and you all know that multiplication problems can be written as repeated addition. So 5 times 1/3 is the same thing as 5 groups of 1/3. 1/3 plus 1/3. We're going to do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 1/3, and I'm going to add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get 5 1/3, and we're going to convert it into a mixed number. 5 divided by 3 is 1 with 2 left over, and the denominator is 3. Okay, let me get rid of that. It's a little distracting. So that's one way to do it, 5/3. Now, or 5 times 1/3 is 5/3, or 1 2/3. Well, let's draw a picture. I should have actually started with the picture, but that's okay. So 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're using those Hershey bars again. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. And if we put those all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get 5/3 again, which is 1 2/3. And then if we just use multiplication, 5 times 1 is 5, and our denominator is 3. Okay, and then we convert it to 1 2/3 like we did the first time. All right, so that first answer is 1 2/3. Okay, moving on to 2 times 4/5. 2 groups of 4/5. 4/5 plus 4/5, which equals 8/5. And if we change 8/5 into a mixed number, we get 1 3/5. All right, 1 3/5, or 8/5. If we just use multiplication, if we look here, 2 times 4 is 8. Our denominator is 5. And if we drew a picture, it would look like this. We would have fifths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we would shade 4 of them, and that would give us 4/5 plus 4/5, which is 8/5, or 1 3/5. Okay, and the last one, 8 times 1/2. So we have 1/2 8 times. Going to run out of space, aren't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we add all of those 1/2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 halves, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer to that problem is 4. We're not going to draw a picture on this one. I think you guys get the hang of it. We will show with multiplication, though. 8 times 1 is 8, and our denominator is 2, and 8 divided by 2 is 4.